In the following video, Nikki, the avatar in blue, is lead and Lisa, the avatar in pink, is lady. Rock and roll jive, otherwise known as single swing, dance timing is slow, slow, quick, quick, with the basics starting on the lead's left foot, on the first slow, stepping to his left. The second step is a rock to the right, transferring his weight to the right foot, freeing up the left foot for the back step on the left foot, for the first of the quicks. The second quick is a rock forward, transferring the lead's weight onto his right foot in preparation for starting over again from the start. The lady's steps are a mirror image of the lead's. A mention of right is left for the lady, forward is back for the lady. The underarm turn is initiated by the lead immediately after the second quick, by the lead pivoting on his right foot, anti-clockwise on the first slow, while gently leading the lady and transferring his weight to his left foot. As the lead subsequently rocks to his right on the next slow, he transfers his weight to his right foot, while continuing to pivot anti-clockwise and lifting his left arm, allowing the lady to pass underneath his arm while rotating clockwise. The anti-clockwise rotation for the lead continues into the first quick on the lead's right foot, to finish when he has rotated 180 degrees from his starting orientation, and weight has been transferred to his left foot. The lady continues her clockwise rotation and also executes the quicks 180 degrees from her original orientation. The second quick for the lead is a simple rock forward to transfer his weight onto his right foot, in preparation for reversing the process on the first slow. The lady continues her clockwise rotation under the lead's left arm, also performing her quicks 180 degrees from her original direction and facing the lead. The return journey for both lady and lead is a reversal of the steps into the underarm turn, returning both lead and lady to their original positions by the end of the next basic.